Alright, quick lesson on patching a tire. We'll go ahead and take our tire patching materials. We got a tire patch, a scuffer, and some rubber cement. Go ahead, I've already marked where our hole is. Go ahead and take our scuffer and just scuff that area up. Get it good and scuffed. Something for that rubber cement to bite into. Now that that is scuffed, we can see this patch is like way too big. I'm going to cut this in half and only use half of this because we don't need to use the whole thing. We can save half for next time we pinch the fucking tube. There we go. Half a patch. Now that that is scuffed up, we got our half a patch. We'll go ahead and put some rubber cement on there and let it tack up for a couple seconds. Get it spread on there, put our cap back. This will dry out, even with the cap on, but put the cap on so it doesn't get everywhere. Let that kind of dry and tack up for a second. Alright, and now that that is tacked up, we'll go ahead and remove the foil side of our patch here without touching the sticky part of the patch itself. Go ahead and place it over the hole. Apply a little bit of pressure. Make sure some of that rubber cement squeezes out from all the edges there. And once we're sure that is firmly placed on there, we can go ahead and remove this cellophane backing. Maybe. Let's pull the whole freaking patch off. There we go. Make sure that's good and pushed on there, and we will let that adequately dry before we try and do anything else with it.